Hello everyone, welcome to Tisha's kitchen. Today I am going to make stir fried kankung water spinach. First we clean the kankung. Now we wash the kankung. Wash properly. Always try to take tender kankung so it is very nice in taste. So here are the ingredients: 1 big onion, 2-3 green chili, curry leaves, garlic, 2-3 tablespoon oil, mustard seeds, 2 tablespoons of chili flakes, salt to taste, cinnamon sticks. Now heat the pan and put little bit oil, add mustard seed, garlic, green chili, onion. Then add cinnamon, add curry leaves, chili flakes, salt to taste. Now add kankung. Now mix them properly. Our stir-fried kankun is ready. Enjoy our cooking and don't forget to subscribe my channel.